the Here Song. Lead is taken by Classic Quality, Exquisite, moving up on the outside, Libre Lang and AJ Spatial. And at the mid-back stretch, Classic Quality, Exquisite and AJ Spatial, Kissable Toys and Libre Lang, the Here Song. And rounding the pattern, it's Classic Quality by 2.5 lengths, followed by AJ Spatial and Exquisite on the Toys and Libre Lang. Rounding the pattern, it is still Classic Quality by 1.5 lengths, followed by AJ Spatial and Exquisite, moving up on the outside, Kissable Toys, the Here Song and Libre Lang. And into the home stretch, it's Exquisite on the outside, Classic Quality, AJ Spatial in between horses. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Exquisite in the lead, followed by Classic Quality, AJ Spatial, the Here Song, Kissable Toys and Libre Lang. And finally, at the payoff line, it's a sin with Jockey Jetril Tagulao Zarate. Classic Quality, AJ Spatial, the Here Song, Kissable Toys and Libre Lang.